Are you planning a home improvement project but unsure about the costs? Introducing the AI Project Estimator by Handy Hero Homes. We know how daunting it can be to estimate the costs of home projects. Whether it's a minor repair or an improvement, getting an accurate estimate can be a challenge. That's where the AI Project Estimator comes in. Our state-of-the-art tool provides accurate, detailed, and reliable estimates, simplifying the process for you. With the AI Project Estimator, you can get a clear understanding of costs, materials, and time required. Receive a detailed breakdown of DIY versus hiring costs. Make informed decisions that align with your budget and timeline. Listen to what our users have to say. Michael O'Brien. The breakdown of DIY versus hiring costs is particularly helpful. Carlos Rodriguez. Filled in my details, got my estimate, and was ready to go. Such a time saver. Sophie Turner. This tool gave me clear insights, and now I can plan my budget confidently. Ready to simplify your home improvement planning? Click below, fill in the easy survey, and get your free AI estimate today.